Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kesangar Pertama here, and I will do my quiz operating system assignment. So I will choose the section A, hardware management and basic commands. So just let's get straight into it. So the first one is problem 1. You are doing lab blah 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 blah. Return the following command in your virtual machine or your VM. So let's just do the command that's command to lspci /nnk. We go with, and then example output might see the information blah 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 blah. Based on the output of lspci, you need to write down the name of the detected internet with its vendor ID and device ID. So the Ethernet is here, and this is the idea, the vendor idea, and this is the device idea. So next one is write the command that filter the output of LSPCN, okay, to show only lines containing the word Ethernet. So if you want to show only the Ethernet, we can just use lspci/nnk, and then this thing, we just need a command. It's called grep, and then we need a filter line, and we want to show a 3 line. Oop. Oh, I think I made a typo. I forgot to put the Ethernet on my bad. LSPC. And then okay, grab a 3 Ethernet. I forgot the Ethernet. Okay, so this is the output of the problem 1B. Only Ethernet and it's 3 line of it. And it's complete. Now let's continue with C. Use the module name you found in A to run mode info in this thing, I think. Run mode info from the output. Return the value of a definition, blah, 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 blah. Okay. So, mod info, and then the kernel is A1000. So let's just bloop. Oh, then is this is the what is called the description, the info from, and okay, all description version and one available parm. Let's see, this is the parm parameter, the description. This is the Intel and version. Oh, this is the version. Oh, it's a source version. I think it's counted as version. Okay, now it's complete. So we go to problem 2. A technician is performing hardware audit on blah 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 blah, bloop, 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 bloop. And then the technician need to write 3 commands used in sequence to view CPU architecture, RAM swap usage, list of disk, and only 3 of it. So let me put it here, and if you want to view CPU architecture on Ubuntu, you can just type lscpu. There we go. This is the architecture, the CPU mode, and the CPUs that's available is 5. The model name is AMD Ryzen 7 6000. Okay, and the second one is total RAM. So we can just use what is called free slash h. So this command is showing the available RAM, memory that you have, and the swap between the RAM and the hardware. There's nothing to swap. So I got 8 GB. Usage only 1 GB. It's 5 GB free, and this third one is list of disk. So you can ls list pl list block, and then slash the format is f to see the disk. See the disk. I think my camera is okay. And here we go, along with the partition. This is the list. This is the device name, and yeah, there. This is it. And then, hmm, the second one, part B. Before checking the UID, the technician first need to find out which device is used as the root file system. So, let's run the command to find the opinion. Oh, okay, we already found the command, so we just need to run it. Find mnt slash. So this is the root of the file system. It's on developer SDA, some exit for blah 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 real time. So this is our main system right here. After that, the step 2, okay, already is this file name to display UID. Problem C is explain why UID is preferred over device name such for mount configuration in EDC first tab. So before that, we need to use the display to display blah 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 this. So what you can use here is PL kit, if I'm not wrong. Then the root, the system location. What is DVA STA2? Okay, this is the UID, the block size, and its type part UID. Okay, it's already shown. And then explain why it's preferred over device name. So how would I explain it? You actually can change the this source root, but it's more preferred to this designated location because if you add a new disk, the system will rename this because it's a new disk and it's detected. So the U but the UID of it is still the same. So it might give a problem and it's maybe can rewrite things. So just set it to the root file so it cause no problem, and it can maybe it become a hardware dependent, and it can be stored in file system itself, so it's more preferred to put it on this, yeah. Okay, so now we continue to the next section, which is section B. So we can choose which problem we want, so I will choose number problem 2 if I, yeah, problem 2. So let's get into it. While trying to understand redirection, okay, redirection, you've run the find command to search for all config files on the system. However, the output makes valid search result with many permission denied. Also, it's all mixed when folders are not accessible. So run this command on your virtual machine. So let's just open up. Find slash dash name. It's called this dot config, and then so this is all the output from the find. Okay, while this thing loading, go to the A part. From the output above, two type of output appear. Explain the difference between them and through which file descriptor it's sent. So the difference is this one is permission denied. So it's like a file from an error type, error descriptor, if I can say that. And the second one is the normal output one, so there's no error, so it's standard output thing. So that's a two thing, the one which got denied permission denied the error thing, and the one is normal. So this is an error one and this is the normal one. Okay, and then the B, rewrite the command so that, okay, got point one, valid research. Valid research are safe to file. Okay, we must make a file and permission deny error. Okay, so we make two file now. So we just need to do command find. We do the same thing, slash name 8 conf, and then we use this command as a redirect, and then this is the search result. So this is the file name txt, and then the second redirect for the error file, error, oh wait, typo .txt, and then we just run it, and this is the result of the command. So run the command that display the, okay, before we go into C part, we just quick check. So this is the search result. So all of it is from description one, which is a normal output, and this is the error. See, it's permission denied, 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 blah 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 blah. And okay, let's go to C part. Write the command to run the same search. Okay, but this time discard error message entirely, so the terminal only show valid search result. When is this approach more appropriate than, oh, so before we go in this thing, we need to write a command to run the same search. So we want to discard the error. Okay, same command name, oops, this start.conf, and then where is it? Okay, there you go. Search. Oh no. You want to discard the error, so which is 2. Okay, and then slash. We just need to redirect it into the trash can, which is def no. So it's just like beacon. This is a comment to make anything gone. Okay, file name, blah blah blah. Search const to def null. Whoops. Okay, this is the result, so it's only appear the standard output. Bleep 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 bleep. And this is the, oh, it is way above. See, and then the next question is, when this approach more appropriate? So this approach where it shows no, to make the difference between the error and the search results, of course, is make the search more meaningful. You know, like we can see, like make us easier to know like which one is right and which one is not, and which one is error and is not. And the second one is, it can make us know what file is errors because it's differentiate. You know, there's a different file with it, and it can make a quick system check because we can check the error text which system is error, and then just for troubleshooting and yeah, something like that. So that is for problem 2. Now I choose the problem 5 because it's, I'm more understanding the problem 5 than the other rest. So you want to check, let me check if I'm still okay, still recording good. Problem 5. You want to check which process are currently running on your virtual machine. Let me clean up. Then save the result to a file for later review. So it needs command to run search pipe. Okay, ps aux grep v grep. So this make the exceptional grep exceptional, so it don't show the grep. Head 10. Okay, so it only showed 10 line. Let me, okay, see 1 2, okay, it's a 10 line. Okay, this is the output, and then modify the pipeline above so that output is saved to as file process. Okay, so we make file from this output here while still being displayed in the terminal. Okay, run the command and display the content. Okay, now we just didn't make to the command, so you can just do the same thing. ps aux grep v grep head 10, only 10 of the line, and then we just use the T command to make a process. Okay, okay, here we go. This is the result. This is the file. So it's show on the terminal, and it make on the files too. TXT file. It's the same. Yes, it's the same. Okay, next one is explain the difference between the following two commands and when each is used. Okay, so the difference between these two. Okay, this what only these two. And let me give you an example. So the first one is the greater than. Let me demonstrate. PSOX grep. Let's try SSHT command. Boom. So this thing, it's overriding thing, if I'm correct. So let's just override our result. Anyway, ps result. We make new file txt. Okay. So it's rewriting this process.txt, and then and it only show usually 1, 2, or 3 lines. And we try the second attempt. pxaux grep sshd. We do it again. Result.txt, and let's try the cat command because we want to do the cool thing. Result.txt. See, it's rewrite it. Okay, now let's restart the command. The txt. It's clean. Okay, now we try using double thing. What is this thing? So pxaux grep sshd double this, and then result xt. Boom. As you can see here, it's at a new line, which is, where is it? Yeah. Oh, we need to cat. See, it's rewrite it into a new line. No, the ID, I mean. It's all the same. Yeah, like that. So basically, it's like this one is for a fresh that you instantly rewrite, and this one is make a logs thing too, so it can monitoring the thing and collect multiple samples. Yeah, that's for the problem 5, and that's it. It. Thank you very much. I am. Is that my? Oh my god. Maybe we should edit it. I think. Okay, I already recorded the terminal, verbal explanation, upload to YouTube, unless the is okay. And include the video link in your answer. Okay, I will make the answer later. Okay, it's because for the duration. Okay, thank you for listening to my yep. It's half an hour. Thank you, sir. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me turn on.